update from the stand. It's about 8 o'clock right now. We had a good buck come through. Came through right at first light. It's been pretty slow since then. That's the deer I wanted to see though. That's why I'm even back here, period. I don't know if he was a full grown swamp donkey, but he was definitely a good deer. I know he was back in here. I just been waiting to try to get set up on it to see if I could even